Space, vast, uncharted, mysterious. Despite all our technology and endless curiosity, the universe still hides secrets that continue to amaze, shock, and often leave scientists speechless. And recently, something unexpected was found deep in space. A discovery so surprising that it could change everything we know about the cosmos. Imagine staring into the endless void, hoping to find answers, and suddenly seeing something that simply shouldn't be there. That's exactly what happened. And today, we're going to explore what left scientists around the world absolutely speechless. Astronomers are constantly observing the sky, hoping to spot anything that might help us understand the universe better. But every now and then, they find something that defies explanation. A signal, a pattern, or in this case, an entire object that nobody saw coming. This wasn't just any object, it was massive, it was mysterious, and it appeared to behave in ways that nothing else we've ever observed has. They found an object blinking, but not like the usual twinkling of a distant star. No, this object was flickering on and off, brightening and dimming in intervals that were unlike anything they'd ever seen. So strange, in fact, that for a moment, many scientists were left wondering, is this artificial? Could this be evidence of something or someone beyond our understanding? At first, scientists thought it was a glitch, maybe an error in the equipment, but the signals kept coming, steady and unchanging. So what was it exactly? Well, astronomers think it may be a blinking star. Yes, you heard that right, a star that seems to pulse, almost like a heartbeat, but irregular and unpredictable. Stars aren't supposed to behave this way. What's most curious is that this flickering wasn't caused by anything natural that we know of. Usually, when stars blink, it's due to planets or debris passing in front of them. But this object was in an area of space where nothing should be blocking it. The object seemed to be fading in and out, all by itself. Now, at this point, astronomers were stumped. They started brainstorming possible explanations. Could it be a strange star in a distant galaxy? Or maybe an unknown type of cosmic event? They looked through records, combed through data from telescopes worldwide, but nothing seemed to match. Then came a theory that, at first, sounded almost too crazy to consider. What if, just what if, this wasn't a natural object at all? Some astronomers wondered if it could be an alien megastructure. Imagine an advanced civilization building something so large, so complex that it actually blocks out light from a star. Sounds far-fetched, sure, but scientists couldn't ignore the possibility. The concept of an alien megastructure isn't new. Scientists have theorized that advanced civilizations might construct something called a Dyson sphere, a massive structure built around a star to harvest its energy. This would be one of the most ambitious engineering feats imaginable, and if it exists, it would create exactly the kind of flickering that these astronomers were seeing. Imagine something larger than planets, even stars. Something deliberately constructed to harness the full power of a star. Could this object be the proof that such a civilization exists out there? Scientists knew that if there was even a tiny chance this was an alien megastructure, they couldn't let the opportunity slip by. Teams from observatories worldwide quickly mobilized, pointing their telescopes and radio antennas at the object. They scanned it for any trace of artificial signals, looking for even the slightest hint that it might be transmitting messages, data, anything. But the signals remained silent, just the flickering light. Was it truly a natural phenomenon that we simply didn't understand? Or was it something more? As the excitement built, alternative theories began to emerge. Some scientists suggested it could be an unknown type of star, perhaps a pulsar with a unique magnetic field or a quasar shining from a distant galaxy. Others believed it could be an interaction of cosmic forces that we've never witnessed before. But despite the theories, the strange, isolated nature of this flickering object left many skeptical. Each explanation seemed almost as unlikely as the last, and as scientists continued observing, they realized something even more mysterious. The flickering pattern was changing. It wasn't a consistent rhythm, but seemed to pulse at random intervals. The mystery of the flickering object is far from solved. It's still out there, glowing and dimming in the distant reaches of space, challenging us to figure out what or who it might be. Scientists are still monitoring it, still trying to decode its behavior. And every day, they inch closer to understanding the truth behind this astonishing discovery. Is it a natural phenomenon unlike any we've seen before? Or are we finally catching a glimpse of something or someone that's been watching us from far, far away? Space is full of mysteries, but every discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the infinite cosmos. Who knows what we might find next? Until then, we'll keep watching, waiting, and wondering. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest space mysteries and jaw-dropping discoveries. Until next time, keep looking up and keep asking questions.